Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the Colourpop mystery box. The CP Confidential, no, that was the last box I did. The CP Cyber Confidential. And I believe it was like $60, but I don't think they're on the site anymore. I just now tried looking for them, but I didn't see them. But
it's confidential.
If you got this box, let me know. Hi, hello, if you are new here on my channel, my name is Jennifer. This is my husband Aaron, who helps out on my channel on Sundays especially. And I do unboxings and makeup stuff, and I also, as per my channel name, I am agoraphobic, and I do talk about agoraphobic material topics and also general mental health topics. And if you're interested in any of those topics or all of those topics, then I highly suggest that you hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell and set it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a video. So if you are into seeing what is in this box, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, so I think I paid $60 for this. I can't remember. But I think there's supposed to be $150 worth of products in here. So...
Not too bad?
Not too bad. So, let's open it up and see if it is any better than the last color box.
It says mystery solved
Colourpop
on the inside.
Mystery box that I opened. So it says, thanks for being fantastic. Okay.
They reuse that from the other way. I don't think it gets you.
Okay, I see a lot of little stuff. First of all, I see the Hello Kitty Colourpop quad that they had. It is that one right there. I don't know what it's called, which one this is called. The cherry sweet one.
Got a little cherry down in that
That's
corner.
cute. So we have that one. Can you rebox that for me?
Yeah.
We have a liquid liner in, what's that called?
Honey Girl.
Honey Girl. I'm probably not going to be swatching things because it's going to take forever to get through this box, it looks like.
Kind of light brown there.
Kind of a light brown color, yeah. Then we have a cream gel liner. And the color, what does that color say? Oh, my glasses.
Icebreaker.
Icebreaker.
You know, there's eyeliner, and then
I
there's
like that
lip
color.
liner, but there's no nose liner. Have you ever thought about that?
Why would you need to line your nose?
I don't know.
That is a nice minty green color.
Huh.
And there's something called Him Color Sticks. I don't know. Okay, this is from...
A little devil liner.
It looks like it's from the, what do you call it? The girls. I guess this is an eye stick. The...
Oh. Powerpuff Girls?
Powerpuff Girls, that's it.
Okay.
That's a little before my time. I guess that goes on your eye. I guess that was one of the villains. Okay, and just a tint. A Coral Kiss lip crayon. And that color.
Quite crayon-like.
It looks like a bright pink. Looks very bright. Okay. And here is in cream soda. I know y'all can't see that, I'm sorry. But it looks like it's another quad. I guess from the ice cream collection. Very, very neutral. 2 mattes and 2 shimmers. Looks like another quad from the Lizzie McGuire. Oh, this is a blush from the Lizzie McGuire collection. So this is already looking better than the, oh, that was the Color Saver.
No saving the colors now.
And that is the blush color there. Very pinky. It's called Delish. Oh wow, we got a big 9 tan color. But we already have this one. So this is definitely going into a giveaway. It's the Cherry Crush palette.
Ah, yes.
Yeah. So that's definitely going into a giveaway. And what is this? Cashmere Forever. Oh, they've got a lot of palettes in here. This is the Cashmere Forever palette. Oh, it's the purple palette.
Some good purples.
Yeah. It's got some false lashes in here. Wow. Called Queenie. And something called Bubble Gum Pop from the Lizzie McGuire collection. It's a lippy scrub. Yep, smells like bubblegum. Not really my flavor of choice.
So was this a cartoon?
Yeah, Lizzie McGuire was like a Disney cartoon.
Yeah. I'm not familiar with that one really.
And something from the the Barbie collection. Golden Beach Lip Duo.
Is it Disney Barbie? Does Disney own Barbie yet?
No.
They will, though.
Okay, we've got a lip liner. Is that the color there?
No, it just says cruelty free.
Okay, this looks like a light brown color. Okay, and what does that say?
Golden Beach.
Golden Beach. Yeah, so it's kind of a neutral-ish color lipstick. So that's cool. And then also from Lizzie McGuire, Eternally Glitterly Obsessed, a glitter gel.
A lot of Lizzie McGuire stuff in this.
Yeah. It's just a regular silver kind of gel. Oh, I might use this for one of my upcoming collabs. And then we've got, it looks like 2 Super Shock things. A Super Shock Cheek, although it says matte, and Too Cool for School. It's that color right there, if you can see that. And a Super Shock Shadow and a Frou Frou. Oh, okay. I got to swatch this. It's kind of like a purple, pinkish. We'll show it to the camera.
It's got a little bit of reflective in it too. Kind of the ones where it'll look different from different angles a little bit.
Yeah, it's like a duo multi-chrome kind of thing. I'm definitely keeping that. I don't know if y'all can see it good there, but that is definitely beautiful. And last, they've got this Cabana Club palette in here. Oh, it comes from the top, which I believe is a 12-pan palette. Wow, look at that.
It's called Copa Cutie.
Wow, they put a 12-pan palette in here. And that is all that I see in here. I think that was a pretty good haul for this mystery box. A lot better than the mystery box I got earlier this year. You'll be seeing some of this stuff in giveaways, and I'm going to keep some of this stuff as well. And, yeah, let me know down below if you got this mystery box. Did you get the same stuff as me? And whatnot. And what did you think of this box, Aaron?
I think it's pretty good. You got a pretty good little haul there.
Yeah, I think so. So give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. I'm sorry I didn't swatch more, but this video would be 30 minutes long if I swatched everything.
And we don't have that much room on our phone.
Yeah, I don't have that much room on my phone. And, yeah, so, I hope you like this video, and please subscribe if you are new here, and Yeah, I hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic day today. And if you're not, I hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful rest of your weekend or beginning of your week or rest of your week whenever you are watching this. And if you're having an especially hard time, just know that we are thinking about you and sending you those good vibes. And just remember to stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe. And what else?
We'll see you next time.
I will see you tomorrow. So for Mask Monday. So, okay. Until then, just stay well. Okay. Goodbye.